Hi guys, in today's video I'll show you how to find your Chime routing number quickly using the Chime application so that you can use it for direct deposits, bank transfers or other banking tasks. So first of all you need to start by launching your Chime application and then sign in into your account if you haven't already. So when you are inside on the home screen itself, you can go to the settings icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now you can also select the option of move money tab here in the bottom, and when you are inside you just have to simply look for the option of direct deposit. So when you are inside direct deposit you just have to scroll all the way down, and here in the bottom you will be shown the account information of yours. So underneath the account info section you will see the routing number and the account number. So right next to it you will see these copy buttons as well. So simply tap on it in order to copy the routing number and the account number, and now you can use it for the bank transfers. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.